Hello everybody. I hope so far everybody have a pretty good winter and so ready for the spring. Uh, and I Today I want to talk about a really great evergreen that I've been growing in my garden for almost, I would say, 3 years by now. And I just think this is like the best evergreen that if you want an evergreen in the garden in the south, this is totally the evergreen that you should consider adding into your garden. And I want to show you how the bloom it looks like. That is gorgeous. Okay, then the name of this plant is, let me see if I can find the tag. There you go. It is mountain snow Pieris. Okay, so when I bought this plant like 3 years ago, it was only like, I think it was only 1 feet tall or 2 feet tall, and today it is already at I would say 5 feet tall. So you can tell how fast it actually grow. And at this side of the spot, at this spot, it actually received very hot sun all the way until 2 o'clock during our summertime. So, and it would absolutely have no sign of burning at all, like zero, nada. And another wonderful thing is it is literally a zero maintenance plant, as in like I do not even need to water it. I do not need to fertilize it. I do not need to worry about the sun burning it. It just do its own thing. It just grow on its own. And a lot of the, I have another variety of the Pieris. It's called a temple bell, and I will show you later. It's much slower growing, and it's just so short and just so compact, and that one cannot take the sun. I will show you later. It's also beautiful, but I think this variety is definitely a much better variety if you're interested with Pieris in our area in the south, okay, in the hot and humid south. Zero disease, there's absolutely no disease. And after the bloom, you can see the leaf is like, the new growth is like red color, and I just love that bloom so much. It's white color, it almost looks like lily of the valley. It's just absolutely gorgeous. And also we have some really crazy frost and snow this year, like the record high snow. I got 9 feet snow actually in my yard, which is crazy. It's a record high for 130 years in this area. And this plant right there was never covered, there's nothing done to it, and it still bloom its heart out right now. There's zero frost damage whatsoever. So, and I can tell you, this is a very neglected plant in my area. Okay, and even summertime it was covered in weed. I'm serious. I'm really bad at this area, but hey, it doesn't really affect it. It's just still beautiful. Look, it covered the entire plant. Yeah, and definitely highly recommend it if you plant the entire row, and it will just look phenomenal when it blooms, and it lasts a very long time. Like this is already blooming for almost a month, and it still looks really good. Let me show you the temple bell, how it looks like. Just give me a second. All right, so this right here is a temple bell. Again, it's still really beautiful. You can see all the new growth right here is all green, red color in the spring. It's just so pretty. But I already planted this at this spot for 2 years, and you can tell how slow it is growing actually. So yeah, so if you want something small and compact and for the shaded area, definitely you can consider the temple bell. But otherwise, I highly recommend Snow Mountain Pieris. All right, that's it for today. I'll talk to y'all next time. Bye.